Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make your own bath bomb. Simple and easy. All we need is 1 cup of baking soda, half of Epson salt, half cup of cornstarch, and half cup of citric acid. And also, we need 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil, 3/4 tablespoon of water, 10 drops of eucalyptus oil, and food coloring. And also, I add lavender flower. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're going to mix all the dry ingredients. Let's go. And we have to put all together. And here we go. So, oh sorry, it's a bit accident, but anyway, so we have to mix all together. Make it sure you mix the dry ingredients. Okay, so now we mix all the dry ingredient. What we're gonna do is we're going to mix now the liquid ingredients. Okay, mix the water, and then 10 drops of eucalyptus oil, 9, 10, and then we add the food coloring. Okay, here we go. Now, so let's mix it. So, when you put these liquid ingredients to the dry ingredient, make it sure you put it only little by little, one at a time, okay? Ready? Here we go. And then mix again. Okay, so we already mix all the dry and liquid ingredients. What we're gonna do now is we're going to put this one to your mold. What we're gonna do is we're going to put some of the lavender flowers, and then put this one on top. Make it sure, put it this one here. Okay, sorry, it's a little bit mess. Okay, make it sure, and then get the other one. Okay, this is so good, especially if you have a cold, and you know that eucalyptus oil is good for cough and colds. So when you use it to your bathtubs, this is so good. Okay, almost done. Okay guys, sorry, it's a little bit mess. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're going to put this one together, okay, and press. Okay, make it sure you press it good. And now, here we go. Wow. So, our bath bombs is ready, and you dry it for 24 hours until if you feel it, it's solid. So, okay guys, so you know already how to make your own bath bombs. So, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye.